Whether you are enjoying Mother Nature's finest views or getting ready for the big game at the tailgate party, you should never be deprived of tasteful food. That's why you should pack an outdoor cooking stove with you. Outdoor cooking stoves pack a lot of cooking power and offer excellent portability with features that allows you to carry them with you on any outdoor trip. Just set it up and cook your favorite meals wherever you are. There are a lot of outdoor cooking stove options to choose from, and to help you choose the perfect cooking stove for your outdoor trip, we have listed down the best 7 camping and outdoor cooking stoves that you can have to elevate your outdoor cooking experience.
Check the video description for the links of the products. Since you are a new channel, don't forget to subscribe us as it will help us grow. Now let's enjoy the video.
The Genesis Base Camp system is the ultimate all-in-one backcountry cooking system. Stowing neatly into itself and fitting snugly among your gear, it lets you prepare your favorite meals in outdoors. Its dual-burner design functions as a standalone stove or couples with other Jetlink compatible stoves or a Luna satellite burner to create an outdoor cooking range. It comes with a 5-liter Jetboil flux pot and 10-inch ceramic-coated non-stick fry pan to give you everything you need to set a new benchmark for base camp cooking. This stove's beastly 10,000 BTU heating system boils water in just over 3 minutes, which makes it perfect for melting snow or making coffee in outdoors. It comes included with an attachable windscreen that improves the system's performance in any weather so that you can cook your favorite dishes hassle-free. This stove is compatible with standard 16.4-ounce propane bottle and weighs just around 9.1 pounds, and it also includes a carry bag which allows you to take it with you on any camping trip. The Jetboil Genesis Base Camp system is the world's first complete cooking solution in one easy-to-carry travel bag. Your outdoor cooking just got a little easier with a Coleman butane stove, a compact-sized one-burner stove that is always ready whenever you are. This one-burner stove can generate a massive 7,650 BTU of heat for optimal cooking experience and lets you cook favorite dishes within a short time. This camping stove comes with auto ignition that allows you to ignite it without any hassle. It also features an adjustable burner which allows you to easily adjust the heat for perfect cooking. It comes in an enameled steel case which makes it durable to withstand outdoor conditions and allows you to easily clean it after your cooking is done. This camping stove comes in a lightweight, compact design which offers excellent portability and allows you to carry it with you on any camping trip easily. The Coleman Camp Bistro is the best one-burner stove that you can use to cook on your camping trip. Take your camp cooking past the basics and let your inner gourmet chef go wild with the Spire LX stove. This 2-burner camp stove can generate a massive 10,000 BTU of cooking power and comes with Jetboil engineered simmer to control that heating power precisely. It comes with rotary ignition for easy and consistent lighting. The burners are spaced so you can use the 10-inch and 12-inch pots side by side, and the Spire LX has a removable lid which is handy if you have a really big pot. Its removable top grate allows for easy cleaning of the stainless steel drip tray, while its windscreen on each side protects your flame for consistent output. This stove's non-slip rubber feet prevents the stove from sliding on sleek surfaces, and these feet are adjustable so you can level the stove on any surface. The chassis, lid, and windscreens are durable steel, while the cooking grate is nickel-plated steel. The stoves can also be daisy-chained from one to another for the ultimate camp kitchen. Eureka teamed up with Jetboil to develop the Spire Elix camp stove, designed with excellent simmer control for making sauces, pancakes, grilled cheese, and many more. When adventure calls, are you prepared to answer? Well, with the Explorer 2-burner stove, you will definitely be. This is a powerful camping stove designed to offer maximum convenience in outdoor cooking. This 2-burner stove offers up to 448 square feet of cooking space with a massive 60,000 BTU of cooking power, which allows you to easily cook any of your favorite dishes in outdoors. It comes with 3-sided windscreen, which does an excellent job of protecting the flame from the wind and allows you to cook in windy conditions hassle-free. This outdoor cooking stove features fully adjustable heat control dials, which gives you more control over heat for accurate cooking. Featuring removable and adjustable legs, this 2-burner stove offers excellent portability and setup on uneven ground. It comes in a durable, rugged design which is built to last a lifetime. It also comes with regulator and 3-feet hose included for use with a bulk propane tank. The Campshift's rugged 2-burner Explorer stove gives you the ability to prepare anything on your camping trip. The Stansport Outfitter series stoves include features to increase performance and durability for those who feed groups in outdoors and make their outdoor trip full of comfort and joyful. This 2-burner model features 2 oversized stainless steel burner heads with a 25,000 BTU of power, which allows you to cook any of your favorite dishes easily. It comes included with piezo electronic ignition and ensures you don't need matches to start cooking. It also includes a heavy-duty cooking grate for ultimate cooking experience. This 2-burner stove comes with oversized steel frame so that you can easily fit any pot or pan sizes and features high altitude pressure regulator for efficient cooking. It comes with a steel frame and drip pan that ensure this stove is durable and easily cleaned so that you can always have a convenient cooking experience in outdoors. This stove also comes in 2-burner plus griddle and 3-burner versions so that you can choose the perfect stove for your trip. The Stansport Outfitter series stove is a joy to use, offering high BTUs, great wind resistance, and a solid design to make your camping cooking experience perfect. Elevate your camping cooking experience with Campshift Everest, a powerful cooking stove that is designed to offer maximum convenience to make your outdoor cooking fun and efficient. This 2-burner stove can deliver a total output of 40,000 BTU with a 317 square feet of cooking area that allows you to cook any of your desired meal in outdoors easily. It comes with matchless ignition and features appliance-style temperature controls which allows you to easily adjust the temperature for accurate cooking. This stove features 3-sided windscreen which protects the flame from high winds so that you can cook efficiently even in windy conditions. It comes with a carry handle which offers excellent carry experience and has a stainless steel drip tray that allows for easy cleaning. Don't be fooled by its size, the camshaft Everest packs a lot of power, making it one of the most powerful compact stoves around. Cook breakfast, lunch, and dinner on a dependable stove that packs up easily with the Coleman Classic Propane Stove, a high-performance cooking stove that is built to elevate your outdoor cooking experience. It comes with 2 independently adjustable burners which can deliver a total of 20,000 BTUs of cooking power so that you can prepare all of your favorite dishes easily. Its cooking surface offers plenty of room to fit a 12-inch and 10-inch pan simultaneously, while its perfect flow pressure control technology keeps the heat steady even in extreme conditions. This 2-burner stove comes with wind block panels that helps to shield your flame from wind. You can also adjust them if you need to fit a larger pan. When the meal is over, its chrome-plated grate can easily be removed for simple and quick cleanup. The Coleman Classic Propane Stove is the ultimate cooking stove that you should have with you on any camping trip and make your outdoor cooking experience full of fun. So that was all about the best 7 camping and outdoor cooking stoves for you. Like, comment, and share with your friends if you found this video helpful. And subscribe to our channel if you want to see more videos like this on your feed.